Kallacha tokkummaa hundee bilisummaa maragaa afaan Oromoo dagam afaan Oromoo afaan Oromoo.
Welcome to Afan Oromo Times. Let us learn Afan Oromo. Today we start from our body parts. Follow me. Gara Afan Oromo Times bagana gaan nuftanii Afan Oromo haa barannuti. Har'a maqaalee qaama keenyaa barannaati na hordofa. Nyaara, eyebrow. Nyaara, eyebrow. Ija, eye. Ija, eye. Funyaan, nose. Funyaan, nose. Afaan, mouth. Afaan, mouth. Kallacha, forehead. Kallacha, forehead. Gurra, ear. Gurra, ear. Malla, cheek. Malla, cheek. Ilkaan, tooth. Ilkaan, tooth. Arraba, tongue. Arraba, tongue. Laphee, chest. Laphee, chest. Harka, arm. Harka, arm. Shanacha, hand. Shanacha, hand. Gara, stomach. Gara, stomach. Jilba, knee. Jilba, knee. Miila, leg. Miila, leg. Quba miila, toe. Quba miila, toe. Faana, foot. Faana, foot. Rifeensa, hair. Rifeensa, hair. Morma, neck. Morma, neck. Dugda, back. Dugda, back. Ciqilee, elbow. Ciqilee, elbow. Mudhii, waist. Mudhii, waist. Hudduu, bottom. Hudduu, bottom. Quba, finger. Quba, finger. Fuula, face. Fuula, face. Mataa, head. Hidhii, lip. Hidhii, lip.
Kallacha tokkummaa hundee bilisummaa maragaa afaan oromoo dagam afaan oromoo